I've helped over 600 Spanish speakers to sound and feel more fluent, and what I've discovered is something very surprising. You're not stuck only because of grammar or vocabulary. No, you're stuck because you haven't found your fluency identity, your personality in English. Many people remain stuck where they are and they plateau for many years. Why? Because they don't feel like they sound like themselves. Sometimes they translate and they start overthinking and they doubt if the other person is really understanding what they're trying to transmit. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact 5-month system that's going to help you to break free from feeling stuck and to finally feel like yourself and speak with confidence, just like when you speak Spanish. My name is Daniel Cordoba, and if you feel stuck in your fluency and you're ready to feel like yourself when you speak English, just like when you speak Spanish, then this video is for you. Most people think they just need more vocabulary or more grammar, but that's not the case. You already know enough vocabulary and enough grammar to speak the language. Of course, learning more grammar and vocabulary will help you. But here's the real issue. You're trying to sound like someone else when you speak English instead of sounding like yourself. The result is a copy and paste English. In Spanish, you know who you are. Maybe you're very genuine. Maybe you're funny. You have a sense of humor. Maybe you're analytical. Maybe you're confident and direct. But when it comes to English, you feel generic. This creates a disconnection between who you are in Spanish and who you want to be in English. It's a contradiction. The solution isn't more apps or more studying. No, it's finding your personality in English so that you can sound more authentic. Why traditional methods keep you trapped? Grammar books and traditional methods are only a copy and paste method. They make you feel stuck because they trap you with rules instead of identity. As a result, you sound robotic and not like a human being. It's the same thing with pre-recorded courses. These courses were designed for thousands of people instead of focusing on the specific person, you. And it's the same thing with group classes, which I'm sure you've taken before. 15 to 20 people to a class, and the result is that you're using a copy and paste method and it's not focusing on your specific needs or identity. And that's why you sound robotic and not genuine, because you're not speaking your English, you're speaking everybody else's English and using their phrases. And this is why people study for years, they've lived in the USA for many years, and they still don't feel authentic because they're not finding their fluency identity. They're not feeling like themselves. When I realized that that was the obstacle, that my students didn't need just more grammar or vocabulary, it was supposed to be an identity-focused curriculum, that's exactly when everything changed for them. And if you're ready to get a personalized demo call with me to fix your fluency identity, schedule the demo call down below in the Calendly link below. What actually works, the identity-based method. First, you need to find your fluency identity. Then you learn phrases that match that personality of who you want to be in English. So ask yourself, who am I in Spanish? Am I diplomatic? Am I a peacemaker? Am I confident and direct? Am I a leader? Am I genuine? Am I someone who's funny, who likes to add humor to what they say? Find that out first. After you find that out, then you got to find phrases, idioms, and phrasal verbs that match that personality. Do this instead of just looking for generic phrases in grammar books, YouTube videos, or textbooks. You also need to practice in small groups, like 3 to 5 students. That way you can get more attention from the teachers instead of being in groups of 15 to 20 people. You also need to track your progress. How many new phrasal verbs and idioms are you learning and dominating and using each month? Which, by the way, we do that for our students. But the most important thing is getting ongoing feedback and support from natives. If not, you're going to be just flying blind, which is an idiom that means feeling lost and not knowing where you're going or what the ultimate goal is. The key is to create a learning environment around you that adapts to who you are instead of trying to fit your personality into the phrases that don't match your identity. By the way, if you want to discover what your fluency identity is and exactly how to get there, I created a free tool that analyzes your confidence, your goals, and tells you what your fluency identity is and exactly how to reach that goal. I left it in the link down below. So there you have it, my students, the real reason why you've been feeling stuck at the level that you are and exactly how to fix it in 5 months. If this makes sense to you and you're tired of overthinking, doubting in yourself, translating in your head, then what you can do is first use the Fluency Identity tool down below, which is linked right there in the description. And second, if you're ready for more personalized attention, schedule a demo call where I'll teach you exactly how we can transform your English and your fluency in just 5 months. Both links are in the description down below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe as well. That's all for now. See you next time.